This is the Catstages Buggin Out Puzzle and Play, which can keep your cats engaged as you can hide treats in these little holes and move either the red plastic round peas over the top, or you can turn one of the leaves and this will keep it covered too. It's then up to your cat to figure out how to get the treat. If they're struggling, then you can always leave the treats out of the holes just so they can get used to it. It is all made of plastic. It does have some small rubber feet on the bottom, so no problems using this on carpet. It will prevent scratching on hard flooring, but it will still move around when it's knocked. It's such a simple concept, but my cats are absolutely loving this.